welcome back to Malaysian Riders 2014, and this is the pre-show of our new season, basically. And I'm Mohammed Rashid.
And I am Nader, and together hopefully we'll be able to bring you some exciting scenes of the motorcycle world here in Malaysia.
Okay, so basically this is a pre-show, not really a true episode. What I'm gonna do here is today show you how cheap it is to race. Basically I just spent 270 ringgit just to enter this race. The bike is not even mine. So my day started obviously with the registration, but I have no clue on where to really go to when I got to the circuit. Well, anyway, the event is called as Bike Component Test. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. All I know is that I will be riding in the MiniGP category. And eventually I got everything sorted out, and all I got to do now is get ready for my free run session and at the same time mingle about with the other riders. And I got to meet somebody who actually watched our show, and that's pretty cool. So then I start with my free run practice. During the free run, I was the last to start my session as I have a problem in starting my bike and getting it running. And that continues throughout the night, as you shall see later. But that is normal in racing, I guess. After the session ended, all the riders took the chance to mingle around and get to know each other more, which is really cool when seeing riders from different range of age share their thoughts together, and this is what we need in our 2014 Malaysian Riders motorcycle show. In some way maybe, so you can expect that in our show later this year. Soon after we all have our rest, the real session starts, and as the excitements build up, the riders get suited up and get into position to line up all the 150cc MiniGP bikes, and the fun continues on and packed with all kind of actions. Then, an unfortunate accident happens, just right in front of me. It looks much more serious than it does, and luckily the medic response was quick, and all the remaining riders line up the bike once again to restart the session. I must say, the night's race is filled with fun and enjoyment to those who participate and to those who watch it. What are we hoping to get from this race is to show how exciting and easy it is to get involved with motorsports. The process is simple, no racing license required. As for me, no bike was needed as the MiniGP is only a rental, and even if you crash it, it won't hurt your pocket that much. With all the runs being completed and all the riders grown fatigued from all the sessions, the event finally ends. And like I said previously, this is just a pre-show to warm up for our new 2014 motorcycle show. And so, that's about it, I think.
So here we are at the end of this event, and so far so good, feeling?
It's amazing. I think it's amazing that I got to participate in this simple race. It's not really a race, it's a fun event with a motorcycle in it. There's no winners, there's no losers, which is fine, I think, because if there is, I think I will be at the back. So I don't want to be at the back. What else?
I think with this high race experience, we wish you guys to enjoy our 2014 season. Wish you guys always keep viewing our videos.
We're gonna do a little bit, things a little bit different this year. We have Nadia for a start. We're gonna bring in more riders. races like Ramon Nasri, Colin Robbie. They are very talented riders. Not very talented. They are talented riders. Just to spice up things, so that you guys gonna have more inputs from more information from other people instead of just me that you guys hate so much, I think.
No, I think
But
you'll always be our favorite, right?
no. But at the end of the day, I think Malaysian Riders, we are working towards bringing more and more quality show and quality programs to viewers, and hopefully we're gonna make you guys love us more. So, anything else?
Enjoy our upcoming events.
Yes, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Like our videos and add us on Facebook.
Thank you.